Imagine you are a warehouse manager. A truck arrives with a shipment you weren't expecting. Now you are wondering and wish to find out who sent it, what's inside, and which supplier it belongs to. Fortunately, you have a waybill number. Most managers would now scramble through reports manually. But let me show you how VLOOKUP can solve this in a minute or two. Well, this is a sample report of what you might receive from suppliers. Let's put a waybill number and see how the magic happens. That's it. Now you have all the details required to accurately place that shipment in your warehouse. Now let's create a VLOOKUP on our own step by step. Let's prepare the fields as you are seeing on the screen. Enter waybill, supplier, item, which are all the required fields to get the necessary information. The enter waybill is where you enter the waybill number, so that would be a lookup value for you. Enter the VLOOKUP function as shown on the screen. VLOOKUP, in the bracket lookup value is your waybill number. Press F4 to fix it the selection because you would not be changing the lookup value. Enter comma and then select a table array. Please remember to fix it that too because you would not be changing the data. Press F4, yes. Enter comma, and then the third value is your column index number. So column index number is nothing but the value which you are asking for is the supplier. So supplier is the second column in your table, and the third one and the last one, sorry, is false. False means exact match has to happen with the waybill number. Drag and drop to all the fields. Remember to change the column index number based on whatever the output is required. Item is 3. The quantity is the fourth column. And ETA date is the fifth one. That's it. Now you just have to put the waybill number in the enter waybill lookup value and see how easy it is. You can change the format of the ETA date as shown. Let's check with some other waybill numbers. Correct. In seconds, the warehouse manager knows the supplier, items, ETA without scrolling to thousands of rows. That's the power of VLOOKUP. One formula, instant answers. If you are in supply chain, warehousing operations, Excel is your secret weapon. We would be launching a course where we will teach powerful Excel automations and macros that save hours of every week. We wish to be your companion to success.